Honorable Vice President of India and Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, Shri C Radhakrishnan Sir, Honorable Nabam Rebia Sir, Honorable Nabam Tuki Sir, Honorable Nabam Vivek Sir, and Honorable all the dignitaries invited over here. Honorable Vice President Sir, I just want to share one honest feelings while I was writing this book. Sir, while I was writing this book along with Honorable Rebia Sir, I wrote few keywords in chapter number 2, which is called duty before position. Sir, I have used 5 technical words, or rather I will say 5 technical keywords, which is very much relevant from today's point of view. Sir, 5 technical keywords is constitutional dignity, democratic responsibility, grassroots connect, public office as service, and education and tribal development. Sir, being a teacher of UPSC aspirants from the past 12 years, I have been teaching this concept several times in a classroom, but I wanted to know their deeper meaning, specifically in the real life. And sir, the most inspiring and surprising thing is that I did research on your life or on your public life, which is more than 4 decades, and I got the real meaning of all these 5 keywords. Since time is very limited, so I will try to explain 2 or 3 keywords by inculcating your live examples, which I did research. Sir, the first word is constitutional dignity. Constitutional dignity in a layman term, if I will explain, it is respecting the constitution, respecting the constitutional post, respecting the people of India. And sir, when you join as a chairman of the Rajya Sabha on 1st December 2025, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji said very categorically that Seva, Sanyam, and Samarpan are integral skills of your qualities. Honorable Vice President Sir, I will say that Seva, Samarpan, and Sanyam are the 3 strongest pillars of maintaining the constitutional dignity. Sir, so this is the insights which I got from your life experiences, and I have inculcated in my book. Sir, second point is grassroots connect. Sir, while I was researching on you, being a governor of Jharkhand, sir, within 4 months, you visited all the 24 districts of Jharkhand, and moreover, you interacted with each and every citizen, specifically from Hazaribagh. You also interacted personally with all the people, specifically in the village Bahera, which is located in Hazaribagh only. And you discussed in detail about the PM Awas Yojana and Ujjwala Yojana. And one of the most striking features, sir, still I remember, you said, you directed that any inclusion error and exclusion error must be avoided as soon as possible. So this is something which gives a classical example of grassroots connect. Sir, as far as education and tribal welfare is concerned, being when you were working as a governor of Maharashtra, you started School Connect program. And this program was basically initiated by various state universities. And universities has to run to the village. They have to reach out to the village to inspire school students to join college education. And this is a very successful program. Being a chancellor of 19 funded state university, you interacted with all the vice chancellor and it created a remarkable result. Last but not least, sir, public office as a service. Sir, being a chairman of your choir committee, the business was, if I am not mistaken, it was 2,532 crore and it was highest among MSME, sir. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you for all these insights. And thank you so much, Rebia, sir. You have given so many, means अभी मुझे बोल नहीं पा रहा हूँ कि बहुत ज़्यादा help किया सर. तो I am very grateful to you. और नाबम तुकी सर, thank you so much. आपने अपने बच्चे की तरह रखा मुझे अरुणाचल में. तो I'm very much thankful to you. Nabam Vivek sir, thank you so much. Tapir sir, thank you so much. Thank you.